Well, that's what it's supposed to look like there, see? And even though this one wasn't as wide as the other one, it still pooched down quite a bit. That was kind of a pain in the rear to even trim that. And, you know, I trimmed it right up at the end of the garage door. It should be fine. Oh, it's sticking over that, that long slot area by 1/2 inch or so. And now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to just close this a little bit first. Oh, actually I have to go all the way down and then back up. See, I can't just stop it right now. With this particular garage door, it also pops back up. I don't know why it does that. Maybe that's for a safety feature. I'm not sure, but oh, remember I was going to say let's check it out. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. It's not going down all the way, is it? Mice are gonna come right through there. They're gonna squeeze right through that. And why are they gonna do that? Because remember, the bricks were high right up in there, and at that end, it's almost flush, and then it dips down a little bit, and then it's flush, remember? I guess I am going to have to fix that, because I don't want the mice to come in. Oh, I was thinking I could do that in a couple months, but I can't. And I'm thinking with this stuff here, with the stuff that's standard nowadays that you can buy at the store, okay, just like this, you can only push it down so far. It's only going to give so much. And the garage door is designed to where it's not going to press down any further and try to smash that down. Now this stuff here, you saw how far it was smashed down. It was smashed down almost flat. Because it was a little bit wider, it had a little bit more room to expand. See how flat it got? Well, this stuff, I can't do that just yet, can I? Can't do that just yet because it's not as wide, and it still has a little cushion. Let's open up the garage. That doesn't make me very happy. But hey, at least I know how to fix it. Can you imagine if the driveway was concrete, and let's say it was uneven like that, there'd be no way for me to fix it, would there? I was just going to show you this. See, it gives you still have springiness to it. See how it's going to go up? And if this was the summer, let's say, this would be more pliable. And you know, remember I got the stuff that said it was 27% stronger? Well, it might be, the rubber might be just a little bit stronger, so it doesn't flex as much. But it's designed to flex, and it's supposed to come down and kind of fit the contour of your floor, you know. And maybe if I got a garage door company out here and see if he could stiffen this up, and I don't even know if you can stiffen it up or anything. Yeah, that's another $150 for him to come out here and say yes he can, and have it put more stress on this motor that's 20 years old and all that kind of stuff. And we know, as I said, see, you can see the bricks. You can see the bricks from here. They're flush there, and then it dive bombs down there, and then it's down a little lower there. So I need to make that the same all the way. And see over here, it almost looks like they're sticking up just a hair too high, right? Right in there. And so yep, that's what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. And I don't know what time it is right now. I'm going to look at my phone. I really don't want mice to come in here anymore. And could I I wait another day? Yeah, I could. Oh, it's 2:42. Okay, so, and it gets cold here, and you know, the sun's going to be up for a little bit longer, and I think I might have time to work on this, even if it were to get dark and stuff, because like I say, I just want to get this done and over with. So I think that's going to be my next step. I'll make another video for that, but hey, if you need to get your garage door sealer replaced, that's how you're going to do it. I'm going to roll this up, and I've still got the little plastic bag here. I'll save that for the other side, and it's going to look fine when the door is closed down against the brick. It's going to be a nice black seal down here. We've got this black here and stuff. So is it okay that it's not light gray? Yeah, like I said, I couldn't find light gray. And see, they had initially used the lighter stuff because they used a tan colored rubber gasket all the way around here. See, had they have used black, they probably would have used black here. But because, you know, 20 years ago, whoever installed this probably are the same guys who installed the garage door, and they probably knew that this was going to be a light gray. And like I said, maybe they only came light gray years ago. Who knows? But hey, it is what it is, and that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, if you're not a subscriber of mine, I hope you subscribe, because I show you all kinds of things to save money around the house. Just go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlists, scroll down, and have at it. I've got over 3,000 videos on my channel, and I won't post anything I think you can't do. So what's my next video I'm going to do? Yep, I'm going to take these bricks out. I am. That's what I'm going to do next. And you know, it'll be probably right after this video. Here, if you go on my main YouTube channel page, I don't know what I'm going to list that as. It'll probably be under driveway or brick pavers, something like that, and it'll be the next one in line with this. But hey, you might not see this for another 6 months, and it might be 100 videos from my very latest one. So I can't just tell you go to my videos and scroll down. It might take you a long time to find it. Okay, but either way, you'll be able to find it. Scroll down on my YouTube main channel page, click on playlists, and then go to driveway repairs or something like that. And I'll have all the ones where I fixed all kinds of stuff on this before, and I show how to pull these out. It's like, my word, how am I going to pull one of those out? They're so tightly spaced in there. How is he going to do that? How does he get how do you get a screwdriver in between there? See how close together those are? But I'll do it. And you can too if you just watch those videos, okay? So that's what I'm going to do next, because I want to get this thing down and I want to get it secured for tonight. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I never know what I'm going to show next, so you might want to just stick around and see. It might save you some money around the house.